Back in cave days, if floor dirty, tribes simply ignore floor. Now human builds $600 machine to emotionally destroy dust. This Dyson V15 Detect. Primitive brain already suspicious. Why vacuum cleaner need laser? Human cleaning house or invading small country? So Caveman turn this thing on and immediately regret decision. Because green lasers suddenly reveal everything. Dust, hair, tiny mystery particles. Floor looked clean 5 seconds ago. Now look like abandoned cave after mammoth festival. Humans spend whole life pretending floor okay. Dyson exposed lies instantly. And somehow Caveman cannot stop vacuuming. This thing powerful, like tiny tornado with college degree. Cordless too, very important. Caveman tired of modern machines strangling ankles with spaghetti rope. And listen to this insanity. Vacuum actually counts dirt particles. Yes, human create machine that scientifically measures filth. Little screen basically saying, congratulations, your home disgusting. Primitive respect honesty. Now Caveman will admit, this thing feel incredible to use. Lightweight, easy steering, battery decent, and laser genuinely addictive. Caveman vacuum same spot 4 times just to feel superior. Modern human psychology, fascinating. But okay, important warning. If tribe live in tiny apartment with 1 sock and folding chair, this probably overkill. You do not need NASA dirt scanner for studio apartment ramen lifestyle. But for pet owners, messy humans, parents, or people obsessed with clean floors, primitive brain understand hype. This not lazy human invention, this efficient human invention. Dyson officially received rare classification. Modern magic, still overpriced a little bit though. Caveman never fully trust expensive air machine. Link below if tribe want laser dirt technology. And subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds.